نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم ورب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Today, inshallah, we will be finishing the concepts. There is only few topics left. And there is another fi'l al-madi and mudari that you are going to learn today, which is Kaada Yakadu. Now, this is again a special kind of af'al. Kaada Yakadu. Kaada is madi, Yakadu is mudari. Now, it is something that's almost happening. What it means is it's about to, or almost, the action that is going to happen or almost happened. So when you are saying kada, so that means something that almost happened. Actually, it didn't happen, but almost happened. Now, this is similar to kana yakunu. You remember kana yakunu? You remember the rules of kana? What is kana, first of all? Kana is fi'l al-madi, right? And yakunu is mudari. But what kind of sentences does kana make? What kind of sentences do they make? Yes. So these are jumla ismiya. It makes jumla ismiya. Though they are af'al, they are fi'il, but they make jumla ismiya. So what are the things you look into kana sentences? You look for kana, which is fi'il. What else? They normally in fi'il ismu kana. Yes. So in fi'il, the ism that is coming after kana, it's called ismu kana. And what else? What else? Khabaru kana. Okay. And what is special about khabaru kana? Yes, khabaru kana is mansoob. It is mansoob. That is correct. So when khabaru kana is a single word, it has to be in the mansoob form. But if it is shibu jumla or something else, jar majroor, so this is, what will you say? This is also khabaru kana, but fi mahalli nasb. Fi mahalli nasbin. Correct? In place of nasab. So Kaada Yakudu, Kaada Yakadu, it is also behaving similar to kana yakunu. And the ism following it is marfu, similar to ismu kana. Okay. So it's called ismu kada in this case. It's called ismu kada. And what is different here is, here, this also makes jumla ismiya, but here khabar is always fi'lul mudari. Khabar is jumla, it's like jumla fi'liya, it is fi'lul mudari. It's always mudari. Even if you are using kana, which is madi form of it, but its khabar is mudari. Is it okay? Its khabar is using the fi'lul mudari. Okay. So let me give you some examples so it will be easy for you to understand. Kaada al-waladu yadhaku. Kaada al-waladu yadhaku. So this is Kaada. Al-waladu is ismu Kaada. And yadhaku, this is fi'l al-mudari, which means it is khabaru Kaada. It's called khabaru Kaada. Yadhaku means he laughed. He laughs. Mudari, he laughs. Now here Kaada al-waladu yadhaku, which means the boy almost laughed. Something that happened in the past. If you just remove Kaada, what will be the meaning? Al-waladu yadhaku. It's again Jumla Ismiya. So it will mean the boy laughs. The boy laughs. Okay, not in the past tense, in the mudari form. The boy laughs. But the moment you put Kaada, it means the boy almost laughed. Okay, understood? Okay. Kaada al-mudarrisu yakhruju. Kaada al-mudarrisu yakhruju. What will be the meaning of this? The teacher almost was about to leave or almost left. Yes, that's correct. The teacher was about to leave will be more correct. Okay. The teacher almost left or the teacher was about to leave. Kadal mudarrisu yakhruju. Yakhruju. Again, you are using the khabaru kada as mudari. Okay. Now, what will be the meaning of yakadul jarasu yarinnu? Now, this is not kada, this is yakadu. This is the mudari form of kada. Yakadul jarasu yarinnu. What will be the meaning of this? Yes, mashallah, that is good. The bell is about to ring. So it is bringing the meaning in mudari, which is the action is not happening, but it is about to happen. Okay, the bell is about to ring. Here in the first two cases, the action almost happened. The action almost happened, but it didn't happen. Understood? Here, the action is about to happen. Okay, the bell is about to ring. Yakadul imamu yarka'u. What's the meaning of this? Yakadul imamu yarka'u. Yes, the imam is about to bow. Yakadu. Again, it is mudari. Okay, the imam is about to bow. Kada tiflu yasqutu. Yasqutu means he falls. Yeah, something who falls down. Okay, he falls. Something who trips. He trips, you can say. He fell down. Kada tiflu yasqutu. So tiflu, I would not say the boy, I would say the child almost fell, was about, okay, fell. Okay, was about to fall. You can say that's correct also. The child, tifl means child, was about to fall. Yeah, the child almost fell. Yeah, that's more correct. The child was about to fall. In qalabat sayyaratu hamidin wakada yamutu. Inqalaba. This is one of our inqalaba is one of our bab in Mazid Fi. So inqalaba means he turned or he overturned. Inqalabat sayyarat. What will be the meaning of inqalabat sayyarat? So this is fi'l and this is here version of it, and this is the car turned. That is correct. Inqalabat sayyaratu hamidin. What will be the meaning of this? What is this sayyaratu hamidin? This is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Hamid's car overturned. Yes, Hamid's car turned. Wakada yamutu. Now you tell me. So yes, and he was almost dead. Yes. So Hamid's car overturned and he was almost dead. So he's just saved from the death. Okay, that's what it's trying to say. There is an example from Surah Al-Baqarah. قال إنه يقول إنها بقرة لا ذلول تثير الأرض. So this is the reply of Musa when the Bani Israel were questioning to him about what kind of cow they should slaughter. So he was describing that Allah says that the cow should not be used for tilthing the earth and all that. وَتُسْقِي الْحَرْثَ مُسَلَّمَةٌ, it should be intact without any لَا شِيَةَ فِيهَا, without any spots on it. So what they said, قَالُوا الْآنَ جِئْتَ بِالْحَقِّ, they said, now you came up with the truth. This is the Bani Israel told to Musa. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَذَبَهُوهَا, so they slaughtered it. وَمَا كَادُوا يَفْعَلُونَ. What will be the meaning of that? وَمَا كَادُوا. Now, كَادُوا here, this is again Kaada. You can do the conjugation of Kaada completely for the Madi. Kaada, Kaada, Kadu, Kadat. Like that, you can do the whole conjugation. So, what is Kadu? Kadu is for the plural form, hum version. Kadu. So, this includes file. Yes, they almost. Ma is no here. So, and they almost didn't do it. So like they asked so many questions that as if they have not done it. Okay, something like that. That's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying. Yeah. Now there is another thing that is coming. By the way, I want to tell you, brothers and sisters, the concepts that I'm covering in these slides are covering lessons from 11th to 15th. 11th to 15th. Now you have finished 10th. Now what will happen? The more once we finish these concepts, we will straight away go to the textbook, start reading the from 11th till 15th. There will be no concepts. We'll be just doing the textbook. Okay. Now Innama is, which means only or rather. Okay. Only or but rather. That's the meaning of Innama. It doesn't affect in any way in the sentence. It doesn't make anything majroor, mansub, nothing. Just Innama means it will mean only or but rather. For example, Innama anzuru ila suwari. Suwari is the plural of surah, means photo. Innama anzuru. What is anzuru? It is nazara yanzuru. Anzuru, Siraj, anzuru. Eyes, yes. Innama anzuru ila suwari. So it will mean I'm only looking at the pictures. Here it will mean I'm only looking at the pictures. Okay. Innama anzuru ila suwari. I'm only looking at the pictures. Now, yeah, anta la taktubu ad-darsa indama taktubu risalatan. Risalatan means letter. Okay. What will be the meaning of this? this sentence? It's very easy. Did not. Yartaktubu is coming. Did not. That's the right translation. You're not writing in the book. Where is book here? Where is book here? You are not writing the lesson. That's good, Sister Zakia. You're not writing the lesson, and after that, but rather you are writing the letter. So there's slight mistake, Sister Sophia. Yeah, but rather you are writing the letter. That's good. Okay. You're not writing the lesson, but rather you are writing a letter. Very good. إنما الأعمال بالنيات. إنما الأعمال بالنيات. So you know this phrase very well. So أعمال, actually it means deeds, but what it means here is action depends only on intentions. So your intentions are because of your actions. That's what it means here. Okay. Now, إنما الصدقات للفقراء. إنما الصدقات للفقراء. What is the meaning of this sentence? Yes, the charity, very good. The charity is only for the poor. That's good.